Congratulations, you have registered your account. Once you have registered, you will be directed to a vendor dashboard, which looks similar to this. Every time you log in, you will be redirected to this page. You will be able to view all your orders from this page, your shipping and billing information, and you will be able to update any of your passwords. You can register to become a wholesale customer should you choose to. I will cover this in a later tutorial. So looking at this dashboard, you can head over to Orders, where you can view any of your current or past orders. You can head over to Downloads, and this will show only downloaded products that you have. You won't necessarily have to use this feature. If you head over to Addresses, here you can add or amend your billing and your shipping information. If you change locations, please be sure to update your information. Under Account Details, you'll have your name, your address, and any passwords that you wish to change. If you have forgotten your password or if you need any assistance, please contact admin. The Vendors button on the left-hand side will show you any vendors that you have been following, so you can closely keep an eye on them and view any updates. The Seller Support tickets will open up any queries that you have placed through the Get Support button on a vendor's product page or storefront. So through here you can open up any claims that you may have. So I can open that one over there and it will show you the query that I've made. You can also simply log out.